Hey everybody, it's Sarah. So let's be real. Father's Day and Mother's Day are two completely different holidays, okay? I don't know about you, but me as a mother, I would just be happy with a clean house, maybe some flowers on the side, okay? I feel like Father's may be a little bit more difficult to shop for. Anyways, I came up with 17, I found 17 different crochet patterns that are completely free that I thought would be great Father's Day gifts for you to give to your father. So let's get into it. Okay, so these keychains right here, football keychains, if you have a dad that's into football, this would be a great little gift to give him, I think. If you have a dad that's into fishing, this little fishing bobber, if you know what this does show it around a rearview mirror hanger, but you could also turn it into a keychain. Same with the football. You can do it around a rearview mirror hanger. In fact, I have something similar that I made that I will show in my weekly makeup video that is going to start this week. Again, for fathers who are into fishing, I thought that this little fish keychain would be great. Honestly, I think it's really clever. It reminds me of that. There's like a caterpillar that's made like this that's getting really popular right now. So I think that that's really clever. You can do it in all kinds of different colors. I think it's cute. When I saw this, okay, it actually took me a while to find a free pattern for this hat holder. I had never seen anything like this before, not crocheted anyways. And it took me a while to find a free pattern, but I did. I found it. So if you have a dad who's always wearing hats, and uh, my boyfriend I have a whole row of hats on top of a thing right now. But anyways, this would look much better. I might have to make this, honestly. If you guys are always hanging out back and he's got a bunch of things like phones, sunglasses, things like that, this little patio chair caddy would be clever to make. Hangs right over the chair, and I think it's just a good addition to the backyard. You could, if you have any like specific color theme, you could do it in any colors. So I think that's a great addition to the backyard, especially for, people who like to chill in the backyard. You have the hangouts and stuff like that. I just thought it would be a good idea. And into that thinking, if you have a dad that just likes to come home, be a couch potato after a hard day's work, and is always, where's the remote? Where's the remote? This is actually really clever. So, and it shows it under a mattress too. So that's really good. I mean, I say the glasses and everything. It's a great place to keep your phone, remote, glasses. They have a designated spot. I think this is pretty smart. And like I said, you can do it in so many colors in your house. So whatever color scheme your house is, do it in that. I think it's a great addition to any living room. It is a cup cozy, and it comes with 3 different mustaches in the pattern, but also it comes with a steak rub recipe. So I thought that that was really adorable and clever and really nice of them to do. And so it comes with a recipe for that. So you can make them a little jar of steak rub recipe, and in addition, a little mustache cozy. I mean, I thought this one was awesome. On to more cup cozies. The super dad ones with the cape is just adorable. I have to work on my stitching more because I'm not really good at stitching letters. I made a chill pill and I tried to write chill on the backside and it looked horrible. But I think this is really clever, and they show you how to do the stitching, and I really do appreciate that. So you want to make a super dad. If your dad is super, this is something you can make him. Okay, and I understand that Father's Day is in June, and that's the summer, but these could be used all year round. So it is a cup cozy that's also a mitten. So if you'd still like to barbecue in the cold weather, your hands can be warm and keep the cup nice and cozy. And I thought that this was brilliant. And yeah, that's why it's included. So. And also in the barbecue genre, the grill and chill and dad's grill, these are pot holders you can make. These are probably very beginner friendly. And she does show you how to embroider the letters onto there. So I thought that was really awesome to offer that instruction. Also, make sure to use cotton. So if your dad likes, if he's driving a lot, and again, sunglasses, cell phone, whatever, and not all cars come with a visor, like little strip to hold your stuff in anymore. Not all cars come with a sunglasses holder. So I thought this was awesome, especially if your dad's always on the road and driving. If you have a dad who's a golfer, I thought that this was a great idea, and you could do them in so many different colors. I have no idea anything about golfing, so I have no idea about the numbers that are on there. But if your dad does, and you can do that, you can do this in any colors. I don't even know what the initial is. Maybe that's the initial of their dad. But I thought this was a great idea because so many men are golfers, and it's such a big thing. And I thought this was clever. I thought this was great. So, and there's actually a lot of free patterns for these. This is just the one I chose because there was a lot to choose from, honestly. And again, if your dad is on the road, I thought a lot. I love this idea. I've always wanted one, honestly, in their little gear shift sweatshirts for your gear shifter. I thought it was cute. You could do it in like if they're sports fans, you could do it in any color they want. I thought it was clever. Okay, so these were all the rage from a while back, the crocheted beards, and you know, maybe your dad has a hard time growing one or whatever. I thought it was really clever and fun, just a fun gift. So I thought that was awesome. This football hat again. So if your dad is a football lover, you could do this in a little football keychain. I thought that would be a great gift. I could see many dads wearing this during football game. Okay, I was almost done looking when I found these tank slippers. I've never seen anything like this ever, ever, ever. Honestly, my son would probably love these the most. So I'm probably going to have to look into making these, but these are just so clever. So if you have any military dads in your family, I think that these would be awesome. And last but not least, this cowl. It is like a hunter's cowl that you use. It's like a neck cowl. You could do it in bright orange. I thought that would be really great for those hunters, and they could just pull it up and keep their mouth and face warm and stuff like that. So that's a great gift. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nowhere near the same amount of things I found for the Mother's Day video. That was over 130 items. Free patterns, by the way, so go check that one out. I know Mother's Day's passed, but still so many free items. So many free patterns, I mean. But yeah, I thought that these were clever. It took me a little bit to find good ideas for dads because like I said, I feel like dads are a little bit more difficult, but there's some good niche down things in here for all kinds of different dads, and I hope you found one that you like best and that would work for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It does help grow my channel. I'm almost to 300 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.